Welcome to the Homemaking and Gardening channel. In this video, I am going to share some shots taken by my daughter. It's of harvesting white, green and purple brinjals and green chilies. It's a small rooftop of our apartment where we keep few carrots to grow our plants. My husband loves gardening, and being a city dweller, we feel a bit restricted in terms of enjoying greens. This is our humble attempt to make our surrounding a bit greener. The harvest is not massive usually, but just enough for a single day for a small family like ours. These are the white slender brinjals. They are quite soft in texture. This is the purple brinjal that's commonly found in the market. And this is a thorny brinjal plant, but the harvest is quite cute out here, isn't it? It looks like tennis ball, small yet nice, cause it's from our own kitchen garden. Now it's turn to pick some green chilies for the day. Yeah, it's a red one also. It's ripened. These green chilies are quite hot, I would say. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe.